pack meeting. Howl, howl, howl. Hey, I'm here. Yeah, me too. So, today we're just gonna be hunting a lot because it is hunting season. And we also have to find somewhere to stay warm because it is literally freezing outside. Yeah, it's like we already don't know. Yeah, we know it's freezing. Yeah, it's like freezing. Okay, I don't really care. What's on my head? What's on my head? What's on my head? It's just a lizard. Oh my goodness. Here. It's just a lizard. You're letting him get away. That is food resource. A lizard is a food resource.
No, don't eat the precious little thing.
Why?
Because it's so precious. You need to save it.
Ugh, fine. Everyone stay here. I'm gonna go with the lizard. Okay, stop. Come on, let's go put the lizard somewhere. He can sit right here.
No, I want to go over here. In my little home.
Okay, you go in your little Hello Kitty strawberry cream home thing. Okay? Okay, goodbye.
Go in here.
I'm going back to my pack meeting. Okay, well, that's all for this day's pack meeting. Tomorrow we will be hunting. And we will be hunting deer, moose, cow, and everything we can find. What about gazelle? Sure, we can do that. Ooh, fancy. Okay, whatever. That's it for today's episode. The Wolf Pack!